Hello everyone. In this project we made one affordable health monitoring system using the Arduino microcontroller and next-gen touchscreen monitor. So as you could see here, we actually make one interface with the next-gen monitor, which we actually put 5 buttons on the touchscreen monitor. So the system able to measure the Emg signals, the Ecg signal, SpO2 or the oxygen, blood oxygen level, the temperature, and also the heart rate or heart beat per minute. So as you could see here, we have all the sensors in this side of the device. So this is the SpO2 sensor, which is able to measure the SpO2 and also the heart rate. So here we have the ECG, and this is the Emg electrodes, and this is the temperature. So for measuring the SpO2, so let's start with the SpO2. So what you need to do, you need to come here and push the button for SpO2. Then you just push your fingers on the sensor and wait for a few minutes. Then you should be able to show that. So as you could see, 98 is my SpO2. So let's do check others. So here we have one push button. If you push that, you back to the main menu. So in the main menu we are going to see the heart rate. So let's try the heart rate. So if I push on the BPM, so again I push my finger here, should be able to show the BPM. So as you could see, the 90, yeah, you need to actually wait for a while. 95 is yeah, it's better to wait a little bit. 94 is the right number. So this is the BPM. So the next is temperature. So again, here we have the button. If you push that button, you will be able to check the other sensor. So other sensor is the temperature. So this is the temperature sensor. So right now what it shows on the monitor is the room temperature, which is 22. So if you want to measure the body temperature, somehow you need to hold the sensors. So I'm going to hold that to see whenever I actually take it, it's the temperature is going to increase. So we start with 22. Right now it is 25, and it takes few minutes that able to go to that point, which is the body temperature is around 32. So I don't want to actually spend that time. So as just you see, it is 26 right now. So if you hold there for a few more minutes, definitely you will see that 32 in the monitor. So this is temperature. Let's push the button back to the main menu. So the next two biosignals that the device able to record is the Ecg and Emg. So as you see, we have the 3 electrodes for Emg. You just need to connect these 3 electrodes to any muscles in your body, and with pushing this Emg button you are able to see the live stream of the Emg. So in the rest of this video I'm going to do that. I attach that 3 electrodes to my arm muscle, and with open and closing my arm we will check it's able to show that Emg or not. So and the next is the Ecg. So if you push this button again and go and push this Ecg button, you need to attach these 3 electrodes to your chest, then you are able to see the live stream of the Ecg. So also it is tough to record the video in the same time and attach these 2 electrodes on the body, but I'm going to do that, just show how the device works. So let's start with the Emg signals and attach the Emg signal to my arm and see you are able to have the EMG or not. Okay, so let's do test the EMG signal. So what I did, I connect the EMG electrodes to my muscle, so that as you see here. So I just want to close and open my muscle and see it's able to catch these EMG of these muscle that you see in the recorded video. So as you could see right now, there is no contraction of the muscle. The amplitude is slow. Right now I actually open and close it, so you see the big spike actually show up on the screen. So again, for a while I'm not going to have any contraction, no movement, and try to not have any movement. So again, just let to a little wait and then make another big spike on the EMG signals. So as you see, the amplitude of the signal is right now is very low. So, and I'm going to actually have another contraction. So right now I did another one, the big one. So as you could see, it's actually made a huge amplitude on the EMG signals. And let to just wait for a little bit and make another one. So let's do that big spike actually move forward. So what we did in the software, we try to take the average of the data and plot the average signals on the screen. So that's the reason it's actually, you see the live stream is a little slow. The reason is it's wait a few seconds to get enough data and then plot that average that you have. So again, you see for a while it's still there and there is no spike. If I go and actually close and open that again, so which is you see the other big spikes that you have. So as you could see, it works. We try that with the other muscles in the body and it's able to catch all of them. So let's go and check Ecg signal and see how Ecg works. So let's test the Ecg signal. So as you could see here, I connect the Ecg signals, which we have 3 electrodes, to my chest, and then I'm ready to see the Ecg. So this is the Ecg of my heart. So as you can see, because for recording video I move a little bit, so that's the reason of that baseline wandering. But if I don't move for a while, you exactly could see the clean Ecg signal, the live stream of the Ecg. So which is the R peaks of the Ecg is very clear. So we record the live stream and the CSV file and plot the CSV file, so it's able to give us very clear Ecg signals. So we almost try all our 5 sensors. So as you could see, all the sensors works and we able to make very affordable and low cost health monitoring system. So what we use the Arduino and the SPOD sensors and also the BPM sensor, Ecg sensor, EMG, and LM35 as a temperature, and we use the next gen monitor for design this human interface for our device. So if you have any further question and if you want to know about more detail, you could contact me. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you like the project.